Is it frozen? Ah! There's ice in there.
Yeah. So last night when we were cleaning up, I forgot to empty the tile saw, and it's sitting in the garage. So it's not quite as cold as outside, but it's cold enough that there's ice sitting in the water bucket. So, or the water tray. So I'm gonna take this outside real quick. I have a bucket of hot water, and I'm gonna clean off the tile saw and start with a fresh start today.
It really doesn't help when the battery dies and then you forget to turn the camera back on.
Today is day 4 of the project. We're on tiling day number 2.
Yes.
Our goal is to finish the tiling today.
Yes. Yes.
Ready?
Hair dryer out.
Break.
Do you think it'll work?
Oh, yeah.
I think so too.
It's nice and warm. It's hot water.
Here you go. You're welcome.
I need cold water. Woo! That's cold. It's been sitting in the garage all night.
To finish rinsing it out?
Yeah. Clean. That's good.
Show. Nice. That's great.
Yep. Yeah, we worked about 2 hours after dinner, finished the section in front of the shower and started going into the closet. Ran out of mud and willed to work, and so we stopped.
Yeah.
So we'll pick back up in the closet right now.
Yeah, Jonah's gonna be cutting the tiles and I'm gonna be laying everything because the space is small. It's, you know, it's hard for us to both be tiling at the same time. So I'm gonna do that. I did that last night and I think that'll help us move quickly. Sorry, the light is really getting to me.
See if you put this one in, I won't have room to get this one
Right, so you have to
underneath.
cut that piece before I can start.
Yeah.
Okay, and you're gonna have to dry fit that one, so I'm not gonna put the mortar down until you have it.
Okay. You gotta cut the tips off here real quick.
And?
I just need to cut this because it needs to be 10 inches. Right, it has to be like this, and then the notch cut out.
Okay.
So I cut the notch out.
Can you show me what the dry fit looks like now?
So I cut the notch out to the correct dimension because I measured the notch from this end. I just have to cut the tips off.
Okay.
And then it'll fit all the way in there.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
you just had one missing cut. Not
Yeah,
a big
I should have cut this first.
Uh-huh.
Across the end.
Uh-huh.
So I should have cut
Yep.
my Millennium Falcon.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, I needed to cut to 10 inches.
But you at least measured from the other side, so that
Yeah, this distance is correct.
already correct.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep. While Terry is working on the closet, I've given her the next couple cuts that she needs. So I'm gonna start working on the toilet flange piece right here. So what I've done is I've got a piece of cardboard. I'm going to make a template of this flange out of cardboard, mark the edges of my tile where it crosses the flange, and then use my cardboard template to draw the circle that I need on the tile. The fun part is that this tile that's gonna have most of this toilet flange also is going to have this piece here, so I need to make my measurements for that and then cut that hole. And then I'll be able to fit that tile. So I made an imprint in the cardboard just by pushing down on it. And now I'm gonna use some scissors and rough cut that out and then start trimming it away. I cut the hole for the toilet supply line. Let's see if it fits. Let's get the spacing right.
Wow. I really like that.
That is dead center. I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
So full disclosure, I went to cut this hole in the tile that I marked earlier and then snapped the tile in half. So I had to redo it. So, all right, so there's the remark of the tile. Yeah, I put the thin set underneath it.
I mean, it is awesome. These are now done. I'm so excited. Everything looks really good. Okay, now that the area in front of the shower and the closet is done, we have to stop there. And we're gonna pick up over here and then work our way under this window as far as we can. Take a lunch break and then finish this all the way to here. I'm excited for a little bit more space to work in. That was tough around the closet.
Yep. It is.
My back is feeling it.
I bet.
That's so cool. Look at that. All right, our break is over and we are ready to start tiling again. This area is looking great. I can't even remember what I've videotaped already, but hopefully you see that we're working hard, we're making a lot of progress. I'm really tired. We're trying to make sure that our backs are surviving this. Right, we finished this 20 minutes ago. Okay, to there. So happy with it. 20 minutes. Placed all those tiles. Which means in less than 2 hours, we should have all of this done. It just moves so quick when we have more space. We are so close. Sorry, this lighting is absolutely terrible, but we're so close. I think we're under 10. He already has this one cut for right here. They're both sitting right there. Unfortunately, we ran out of mortar. So
we
he's
have more, it's gonna make a little more.
right. So he has to mix just a little bit more. So he's trying to get what he can out of the bucket to make sure that we can place these. And then, yeah, then we have what, like 8 tiles to lay, and we'll be done.
Pretty close.
This is it.
Did.
Because you found it.
I did. I'll thank you.
Looking good. Cool. Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cut.
Cut.
6, cut. 7, cut. 8, cut. Done. 8 tiles left.
You can do it, babe.
Yes, I can.
Right to the end.
To the bitter end.
Is it bitter?
Oh, I'm just joking around.
Ooh, look at that. It's looking good. We have 4 cuts to do.
So I need 2 pieces here that are 3.5 from that point.
Mm-hmm.
I need 1 here that's gonna be 2 3/4.
Uh-huh.
All right, so 2 3/4, 3.5, 3.5.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.